What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What's up, guys? It's been a minute since I've had a video out. It's been pretty damn cold around here. Even though it's been cold, I've not seen a drop of snow. The poor car has not seen any snow yet. Went out and put these snow tires on. It's not even seen any snow yet. Right now it's about 30 degrees out, but it's not raining. And I figured since I've got the day off, it's not raining, let's go and do something. So anyways, we're gonna wash the car. There's been a few things that I've done to the car. A couple things. Got a new keychain. I know this is not the Impreza model, but I just happen to love this side. And as well, it's got the rubber key fob cover. I kinda like it. There's been some other things that we've done to the car. I can't wait to show you those. Some of the things that I've done was actually something that I had mentioned in the last video about a month ago. And I can say that once it starts getting warmer out, you know, I'll definitely be putting more uploads on here. I'm definitely looking forward to making some more videos. But at the same time, I'm definitely looking forward to better weather. You know, when I am home from work, my job keeps me away from home. So that's one of the things that makes it difficult to try to put more videos out. And then the short time that I do have home, when it's cold out, rainy, wet, I can't find the motivation to want to go outside and make a video. So anyways, also we've got some new subscribers, and I want to welcome you guys to the channel. Those of you that have subscribed, I'm sure you've seen the other videos. You know, we've got a 2019 Subaru WRX STi Limited. I bought this car brand new. I ordered it back in August, picked it up from the dealership in October. As it sits now we are over 3,000 miles. I think we're looking at around 3,300 miles. So we've definitely enjoyed it, but not a single lick of it's been in snow. And matter of fact, it's even to the point where I'm almost thinking about just taking off these winter tires and putting the stock ones back on. I doubt that I will, though. I'd just like to keep them in some good condition, at least until they're done putting salt down on the roads and stuff like that. So yeah, again, welcome to those of you that are new. I thank you for subscribing, and we're just gonna go ahead and wash the car out. Well, not wash it out, wash the car, you know, give it a nice bath, get some of the road grime off, and then I'll show you guys what I've done to the car. All right, let's get busy. Alright, now that we're done washing the car, so I'll show you some of the things that I've done here. I'm going to start with the first one. We did the license plate delete. This here, it's just aluminum plate, says STi. As you see, there's no screws on here. This here was the one from Subi Speed. It's just got little nubs that go in the holes that are there, but then it's held on with 3M double sticky tape. That was ordered from Subi Speed. One of the other things that we've done is we got rid of the silver. We changed these out. These right here are the Subaru OEM ones that come on the Hyper Blue series STi, which I gotta say, I think the black ones look better anyway, my personal opinion. So yeah, we've put those fender badges on, put the front license plate delete on, fender badges on this side. Nothing really much here different on the back end, except for finally got my license plate. Taillight tint overlays that is kind of ripped. Huh, interesting. These were from Premium Auto Styling. And one of the other big ones, we've got the WeatherTech floor mats. They're dirty as all get out, but I will say I absolutely love them. I got the front and the rear, so it goes all the way across. I don't think it's very good to see in here. It goes all the way across, and I will say that I like them on there. For one, every time that I would get out of the car with the regular floor mats on there, I always felt that I had to sweep the car out. I was driving my own damn self mad. Oh yeah, another thing, I forgot. So we did change this out. This here's the pair and drift button. I took out the stock chrome one, didn't really care too much for it, so I did take that out. So yeah, anyways, that's what we've done with the car so far. Like I said, it's just been too cold, too rainy, too crappy to really even go outside and enjoy, you know, getting the camera out, going out and do something. I can't wait for the warm weather to get back around. As I said earlier, so we've got over 3,000 miles. At this current time, we have 3,845 miles with the TPMS light on, due to the simple fact that, here, let's see. Due to the simple fact that, you know, these are some aftermarket tires. They do not have the TPMS sensor installed. None of that. Bugged me at first. I'm over it now. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. It's awesome. I can't wait until the weather gets better. I can get some more videos out. So yeah. I guess we'll just end it here. And thanks for watching. And come on, warm weather. Or snow, damn it. Or snow. I'd at least like to play in the snow for once with this car. It'd be nice. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, for real, though. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you around.